Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to optimize your hard drive to increase speed in your computer. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, you need to check the status of your hard drive or C drive. How? Press Windows and R key together to open Run, and in this small window, please type diskmgmt.msc, then click OK to continue. Once you're here, just expand it and go for the upper left side of your screen. It has this file, action, view, and help. Click action and refreshed. Go for refresh. After that, go for action again and rescan disks. Okay? So as you can see here, my C drive is in healthy condition under the status. Okay? Just have to make sure that all of your drive or C drive is in healthy, and once done, just close this and let us now optimize your C drive or hard drive. Okay? So at the bottom search bar, please search command prompt or CMD. Then go for run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to just go with yes, and this new window will appear. Okay, here you need to input CHKDSK all in uppercase and press enter to start. Okay, now this will check the whole disk drive of your computer as well as the basic file structure of your computer. Now it will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes depending on your machine. Okay, you just have to wait until it's done. And once done, just have to close this and restart your computer and see the difference. Surely that your hard drive will perform better than before. Okay? So, hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.